So guys, in case you don't know, there has been a lot of rumors these days about Jamaican athlete. I think the outside worlders have started thinking that some Jamaican athletes are going to be banned. In this video, we're going to explain everything step by step on who is actually going to get banned, because an artist has been detected for doping in athletics. Who is this athlete? Do you want to know? Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also this athlete, they say, is one of the most popular athlete in the Jamaican history, in the female sprinter and boat mill. But we don't actually, if you really want to know who this athlete is, then I advise you to pay very attention, because this has shocked me and it's also going to shock you, because I never expected this female sprinter to be the one to get banned because she duped. Well, this athlete is a popular athlete, and the name of this athlete, a lot of people are suggesting that maybe this athlete could be Ellen Thompson Hira, or maybe it could be Johan Blake. Between Ellen Thompson Hira and Johan Blake, a lot of people are suggesting. The World Athletic has not yet banned them yet, but let me know what you think in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe.